Hello. Uh, about 4 years ago, I recorded a video about using Apache Bench to do HTTP or HTTPS SSL load testing to big IP. So today I wanted to talk it about again. Yeah, so if you go back to my YouTube channel, Linux Monkey Cloud, and you will see the video here I showed 4 years ago. And so what I'm going to talk about today, though, is that so this is the GitHub repo for the Apache Bench. I forked from the MTCP and the DBDK project. So you can see it's 9 years ago I created this repo, and so today because I have the need to run a SSL load test to a big IP, and I just found that the code, the Apache Bench code, may not compile or work in the new OS distribution. For example, like Ubuntu 24.04, this Apache Bench will not compile because the code is sort of old. The Apache Bench version is 2.3. So, but I want to still keep this useful load testing tool and to run it in any virtual machine or any OS distribution I want. So how do we do that? And then I come up with this Docker solution. So I containerized this Apache Bench. So here is the commit I did. So basically I cloned this repo, and I compiled it on Ubuntu 22.04 distribution, and then after I compile it, and then I just install the Apache Bench binary and associated the APR library and OpenSSL library in container, so we can ship this Apache Bench in binary form and with its library dependency. Then we can run it on any other distribution. We don't need to recompile it and also solve the library dependency problem. That's a headache because the code is old. And this is a last commit. This is a couple hours ago. So yeah, and you can actually clone this repo, and it has the. Let me show you the Docker file. And where is the Docker file? Yeah, here is a Docker file. You can see here the base image is 22.04, and the Apache Bench, the library, Apache Bench dependency library require this lib, and then I basically just copied all the SSL library to the container, and also added the libapr library for Apache Bench binary, and this is for the library for the dynamic linker for the library linker to find the SSL library for Apache Bench, and this is a binary, right? So you can run this Docker build command to build your Docker image for Apache Bench. Okay, so I built the image and I pushed to my Docker hub. So now I'm going to so this is OS virtual machine with CentOS 8. So if I downloaded the source code on this CentOS 8, I'm unable to compile the Apache Bench because the library dependency and the old code. And however, I can run the Docker version of Apache Bench. So let's do the test. And so let's see we don't have the Apache Bench Docker image. So let's pull this Apache Bench Docker image from my Docker hub. I give it so this is my Docker hub repo repository, and this is the Apache Bench with SSL tag, and let's pull the Docker image. Okay, so the image is downloaded. Now let's Docker run this image. Okay, so now we are into the image now. So our Apache Bench is under here. Now we can run the load test. We can run the load test, SSL load test. Yeah, in this actual commit message, I have the instruction to run this Apache Bench SSL load test. Let's copy paste, and then we can start the Apache Bench load test. So here is my big IP, the target load balancer. So right now you see the CPU, there is a 2 TMM process with only like 7% CPU usage. So let's start the load test here, and the CPU will be, so you can see here, this is, I run the Apache Bench on 4 cores. So each CPU core has the one Apache Bench thread, and concurrency is 320 SSL load test. Total is this request. And our CPU now, you see, jumps nearly 99% CPU usage. And we can run a TCP down on the target with big IP on port 443. You see a lot of traffic, right? So yeah, and it's still under node big IP, and here it shows completed. So each CPU core, each thread will have this request, and now it's finished. It has the result, test the result, and now our big IP node is gone because the test finished. CPU back to normal. And yeah, so yeah, this is just quick demo to show like you can pull this Apache Bench Docker image onto your virtual machine, any OS distribution, Ubuntu, CentOS, other Linux, it should run without the need to compile and yeah. So yeah, and you can also build your own image with this repo here. So yeah. Okay. Yeah, thanks for watching.